Hello everybody, welcome to the Sims Royale video. I am gonna be playing a couple of games, maybe 2, maybe 3, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so let's go for this crate. Oh, nice silenced SMG. Oh, there are people inside that house. Ah, he's low. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. You must finish them off. Da, 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 da. What? How was I supposed to know that he had a scar? Okay, let's try again. Bow Beach again. No, this is gonna be interesting. Come on, not a Glock, not a Glock. Oh gosh, he's got a crossbow. Let's just do that. Wait, hold on. I've got an idea on what to do. Come back here. Oh no. Oh no. Da 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 da. Nice. Okay, nice. We don't have much HP, but that's fine. Oh gosh, not the double RPG. We need to be careful. Oh gosh, I feel like he's doing sniper ammo only. Also, if you're quite attentive, you might realize that my name in the game is Wizard, but my YouTube name is Sniper Lord. Oh gosh, what is happening? I need bandies, or a med kit, or hybrids, or a big pot, or any sort of heals other than minis. I mean, I like minis, because I can stack them, but I would rather take one of the other heals, like hybrids. Yay. Okay, eat these, eat these. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, we got him. We got him. You certainly did get me. Okay. Oh my, that's Milliam. Oh gosh. No. Yes, at least I got some damage. Oh good, my only hope of... Great. And of course when I finally get a gun, it has to be such a trusty one. Okay. Oh gosh. Well. Oh gosh. Get him! Nice. How did I miss that? Okay, now I'm gonna go to the bottom. Oh, that's my spray from the beginning. Oh gosh, I knew he was in there. Gosh, medkit. Oh gosh, no gas, no gas. That sounds weird, saying it. Oh no. Oh good, I'm safe. If only they knew I was recording. Oh gosh, oh frick. 2 HP. No. How am I still alive? Like, I'm dead. Okay, heals. Yes. Okay, get stuck. Do a thumbs down. I know he can see. I don't want to take any damage right now. Oh gosh. I'm gonna leave him to die to the gas. No. Yes, finally I got the AK that I wanted. Oh gosh, not now. Stop notifying me. I'm recording. Oh gosh. Why didn't he react? 2 HP, that's the second time. Oh my gosh, can you just stop DMing me? Heal, 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 quick. Oh gosh, there were 2 of them. Is he out? No. Okay. Is he in there? Oh, for God's sake, you're in there. Yes, let's go. But that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, can you just stop messaging me?